Hi, my name is Satyanarayan Ram. I am reading standard 3. I am from Bhubaneswar, Odisha. I am suffering from bone tumor.
We have very small family, me, my wife and my 8-year son. So during COVID-19, the first lockdown, so everything everywhere was closed down. So at that time we were there in the home, and due to this COVID we are not going outside also. So sometimes my son is playing here and there, and slowly you come to know that he is getting little bit pain in his right forearm. And as soon as this lockdown over, we come to the hospital to see why he is getting pain in the right leg. So after getting a X-ray report, we come to know there is something there in his right forearm. So immediately we went to hospital and we have consulted with an orthopedic there. So according to him, he has given a report to us that he is infected by osteosarcoma, bone cancer. So the way he has expressed, we are very much depressed and we have broken down like anything. And immediately we have made up our mind, and also we have consulted with one more doctor there in Bhubaneswar, and he has referred me to come to Delhi to meet with Dr. Lokesh Garg. So blindly we came to Delhi and we started doing our treatment here.
इनके राइट थाई में स्वेलिंग थी, एक्सरे हमने देखा था, उसमें हमें बोन ट्यूमर का डाउट था। हमने इनके फादर और पेरेंट्स को पूरा समझाया बीमारी के बारे में, आगे क्या ट्रीटमेंट होगा, ट्रीटमेंट के बारे में पूरा समझाया गया, क्या क्या ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल हैं, क्या ऑप्शन इनके लिए बेस्ट रहेगा, इनको अच्छे से समझाया गया। जब ये आए थे शुरू में बहुत घबराए हुए थे, क्योंकि नेचुरली कोई भी बोन ट्यूमर का नाम सुनेगा 8 साल के बच्चे में तो डेफिनेटली पेरेंट्स बहुत घबराएंगे। बच्चा भी काफ़ी घबराया हुआ था, बट इनको अच्छे से समझाया गया कि क्या ट्रीटमेंट होना है। उसके बाद ये लोग रेडी हुए ट्रीटमेंट के लिए। हमने इनका लिम्फ साल्वेज सर्जरी किया, जिसमें पूरा फीमर निकाल कर उसे स्टीराइल लिक्विड नाइट्रोजन में स्टीराइल कर उसे वापस प्लेट करके लगाया गया। अभी बच्चे का पैर बिल्कुल ठीक है और अभी आगे इसका कीमो चलना है।
The moment we came to here in Delhi, we are very much scared and we are thinking like anything that what we will do now, because Satyanarayan is my only son, and at any cost we have to recover him from this infection. So the first day I remember very well, the first day when I met with Dr. Lokesh, and at the time I was thinking that in what way I should start my process of treatment of my son. But after meeting with Dr. Lokesh, my situation or my thoughts in my mind has been changed like anything. That he has given me as a different kind of energy in me, stating that you have to be strong enough, because unless and until a parents will strong enough, he cannot be able to treat his son. So he has given me energy and booster. So I can say online about Dr. Lokesh Garg that he is not a good doctor, he is a very good human being, he is a very good friend also. So he has helped me like anything in different practices. Not only he has helped in medical department in doing his treatment in proper way, but he has helped me in different sources of getting funds, because I belongs to a middle class family. I was doing in a private job. So due to this COVID-19 also I have lost my job, and I have been here in Delhi from last 5 months. So it is very much difficult to a middle class family to survive outside the state and staying with the family and doing the treatment. After coming to Dharamsala hospital, I have seen here the atmosphere is eco-friendly, all the staffs are friendly, and especially my heartfelt thanks to the Department of Orthopedic Oncology Department. All the doctors are very much friendly, cooperative and supportive also. Now my son is recovering well and is doing good, and today I am very much happy and very much thankful to all this orthopedic department team, especially Dr. Lokesh Garg, who has given his 100% effort and his 100% guidance to do the treatment for my son. And I'm thinking that now my son will be okay, and very soon I will come back to my home. But the heartfelt thanks to all these doctors, staffs and these environments, I cannot erase from my mind. So thank you very much.